Good morning guys! So it's day 4 of our Seoul, Korea trip, and for today, wow, actually ang aga pa. Kami yung pinakaunang pinick up for the DMZ Tour, the Demilitarized Zone Tour. And so pupunta kami sa boundary or sa border between South and North Korea. Guys, nag-ice yung window. Ang lamig! Yan ay North Korea guys, across the river.
During the Korean War, but it took to recover, it took 2 years. Okay, and then there are around 1,000 bullet marks.
Dito na tayo guys! So, papasok na kami sa replica, sabi ko sana duplicate. Replica ng Duplicate Bridge.
By North Korea, and then North Korean view on the opposite area.
Hi guys! So, across the bridge is still South Korea raw. It's the DMZ, Demilitarized Zone. So, ayan. Bawal ako umikot ng ganun kasi bawal mag-picture dito sa left and right side. So, ayan. Tingnan na lang natin yung paharap. Into the unknown. Char! Such a sunny but cold day.
Mama, picture ako sa'yo. I met the vlogger.
Ay, wow! Thank you! Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa Death Bridge. Ayan, so nandito si Pao.
Hi!
Solo traveler siya. Oh, lamig no?
Traveling solo. Hashtag solo.
Ay, yes, gusto ko yung hashtag mo. Witty. So, ito naman yung mga peace messages na nilagay ng mga South Koreans in hopes of having unity and peace with their brothers and sisters in North Korea. Ganda. It's so colorful. Tapos pwede ka rin pala maglagay ng message nyo doon sa mismong wall for only 1,000 won. So, 50 pesos. Hindi ko siya makita. Mga old supplies and tools. Sen. Sana siya? Ayun na siya. I see the light. We're in South Korea.
I've been feeling so I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking
Japanese side, west to sea. This is a place where three water meets. Okay, here. And then there is North Korea over there. This is the farthest way to
Guys, you can already see North Korea right over there. This is where the three waters meet: Imjin River, Han River, and the West Sea.
life about.
Oh, lamig! Maririnig yan nila tayo pag sumigaw tayo. Hello! Annyeong! Oh my gosh, nakikita ko sila, naglalakad. Oo, ayun o. I can see the people walking.
The drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me.
Ganda guys. Sending you love and finger hearts, North Korea. Ito guys, may nakikita tayong landmark. Hindi ko lang sure kung para sa inyo landmark na yun.
Now you in infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb, try and get known. Hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself in.
Okay, ang sarap dito guys. Nasa loob na kami ng cafe ng Observatory. And it's so chic and cozy here while enjoying the view of North Korea.
Fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the.
Hi guys, so we're now here at the War Museum. Tapos dito nakalist yung mga veterans who helped South Korea during their civil war. Ayan, Philippines! Wait, totoo ba sila? Gusto mo makipag-picture? Wait, totoo ba sila? OM. Ito na yung Descendants of the Sun in real life. Char. Guys, hindi kami sure kung totoo sila. Totoo ba? Soldiers ba talaga sila? Makakahiya, guys. Tanungin ba natin? Ayun na, tatanungin na ni Pao. Tumitingin sila.
Ano si tita?
Tita. Nagtitinginan lang tayo eh. Yan na. Excuse me, can I have a photo with you?
Sorry.
Hindi pwede. No? It's not allowed?
Not allowed.
No.
Ah, okay. Thank you! Uy, I think it's allowed eh. Nagtatawa lang sila. Dito na lang sa mga frozen. Nakakahiya talaga, guys.
Totoo yan, hindi lang kaya siya gagalaw dyan sa akin. Akala ko naka-assign na tuloy-tuloy. Hindi pa rin manigin. Di ba kagaya sa atin sa Philippines?
Changing of the flag ba yun?
Oo, kagaya sa atin sa Luneta.
Oh, guys, oh my gosh, may na-realize ako.
Ano na-realize mo?
Feel ko mga normal na tao lang sila. Like, as in yung mga, di ba nagtitake sila ng service agreement, chuchu, na dapat may 2 years lahat ng mga males. sa Korea. Ayun. So, pico mga estudyante. Katakot ba kaya ba yun? Nahuhulog ba? Oo nga eh. Mga binabaril ba tayo? Baka may sensor.
Is like heaven made for two. All do you think?
Ayan guys, so meron silang National Hero of February.
Sign your name on him. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you.
Sulit tong tour na to guys. May kasama siyang lunch. Wow, food. This is leche flan. Ayan, so may apat tayong leche flan. Char, rice. Oh my gosh, tapos may egg. Oh my. Ayan, so meron tayong grilled mackerel, seafood pancake, beef stew. Nag-fog.
And leche flan.
Tapos, spicy pork. Tapos, mga banchan. Ayan, tourist center, oh. Ayan, so nandito na kami sa Namdaemun Market. Madami na ditong mga affordable and mga pwedeng pangpasalubong. Parang siyang siomay. May siopaw. Alam ko na. Parang siyang gyoza. Sakto, gyoza. Tayong Encanto dun sa market, paikot-ikot. So, yan, papunta na tayo sa train station. Pabalik. Nakakalito siya kasi ang dami liko-liko. Take out kami ni Mami ng dinner.
Take out kami ng fried chicken dinner namin.
Ayan. Ang bango guys, super bango. Ang lapit lang nito sa hotel namin. Tapos, ting dumadaan kami ang bango-bango. So, ngayon matatry na natin siya. Laki niya! Yakult, peach cacao drink, peach candy, peach beer, and then gorgonzola and soft corn camembert cheese. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartbreak. Tell me why.